Hey traders, welcome to another educational video from Global FX Education. Today we're going to speak about the most important strategy and trading method, and I'm going to explain it step by step. I'm going to show you how to make profits in 2022. Okay, before we start, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, because that will help you to get very important content on my YouTube channel, and it will help you as well to stay updated with different forex pairs, commodities, indices, and live market analysis. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Stick tight, stay tuned. Let's start with the strategy or method, should I call it. And what I want to explain to you guys today is about a good entry point, how to find a good entry point. Now, what do I mean by good entry point? Of course, everybody knows that in trading, we have risk, we have reward as well. Okay, so we have a risk and we have a reward in trading. Now, the most important thing about Forex trading, actually, to be honest with you all, is about risk reward. It's about money management, risk reward, and how you trade your account. Okay, this is one of the most important things that you could call it a strategy as well, is risk reward and also money management. So now I would like to explain to you today, I'm going to show you guys today how to look for a opportunity in the market. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to look for an opportunity in the market with a very low risk and a high reward trade. Okay, so I'm going to explain it step by step. Let's start with step number one, right? Step number one, market has a very big move to the downside. Okay, it's a very big bearish momentum. It's a very big bearish move. Okay, what does a big bearish move like this mean? Okay, the first thing that a big bearish move like this means, that if the market is made a very strong push to the downside, it means the momentum of the market is bearish. Okay, if you are looking on the bigger time frames, 4-hour daily time frame, and you see this type of movement, it is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It's a very good thing, because it gives us a lot of opportunities in the future. Okay, remember, patience is always a good thing to practice when you're trading. So if the market creates a very big bearish momentum like this is a very good thing, right? Explaining my strategy step by one. Step one, big bearish momentum or big bearish move to the downside. Okay, and after a bearish momentum move or a bearish move, we will expect a pullback. Okay, now a lot of traders, a lot of new traders will start to try to sell the market around this, because that's how new traders are, right? They will see a very big move to the downside. Okay, they will see a very big move to the downside, and they will think that they can basically jump in the market to grab this move, because they think that they've actually missed the move, right? So like I said before, patience is a very important thing in trading as well. So a lot of traders will start to sell here, and the first thing that is wrong, right? The first thing is wrong is that the risk reward, okay, the risk reward is bad. Number two, there is no structure to place your stop loss. Okay, and I will explain these points to you guys as well, so don't worry. And the third one is you're fighting against the market. Okay, that's the third one. You're fighting against the market. First of all, the risk reward is bad. Why do I say the risk reward is bad? Because you could only basically get 2% reward with a 1% risk. Okay, it's not a good risk reward. You don't want to get a trade that is a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 in my books. You would rather look for something that is like maybe risking 1%, okay, risking 1% and getting back at least 3%. Then you're talking a good risk reward. Okay, so number one, the risk reward is bad. Number two, there is no structure to place your stop loss. What I mean by no structure to place your stop loss, if the market has made an extremely big push to the downside like this, there is absolutely no place or structure area that you can place your stop loss. Okay, and number three, you are basically fighting against the market, because all patient traders and all swing traders, all traders that are experienced will know that after a move like this, there will be a pullback. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. Okay, I'm going to show you here. This is what you shouldn't do. Okay, so every trader that is a patient trader knows that the market is going to make a pullback. Now, when the market makes a pullback, this is where a lot of professional traders, a lot of traders are looking for an opportunity to get into the market. Because what we know is, if you trading on a bigger time frame, such as the daily, the 4-hour or the 1-hour, this is a good thing that the market makes like this, if the market makes a pullback, because it gives you a chance to relax, it gives you a chance to plan your trade, and you can basically get in for the next move. Okay, so this is what the market and how the market moves. It makes a big momentum push down, we have a pullback, and then we have the next momentum coming into the market. So what I mean by this, let me elaborate quickly for you guys on let me elaborate for you. Okay, so this is what you shouldn't do, and I'm going to show you guys something here quickly. I'm going to show you guys what you should do. Okay, so let's say, for example, this move has not yet been created, the pullback has not been created yet, and we are looking for an opportunity in the market to actually get into the market movement and get into the momentum of the market. It is quite easy. What we need to do is first find out, is the risk reward good? Number two, is there a structure place or structure area to place your stop loss? And number three, are you going against the market or are you flowing with the market? So very, very simple. When the market creates a bearish momentum like this, we expect a pullback. And we normally expect a pullback to the previous support, which is here, turn resistance here. Okay, that is the area that we're going to be monitoring for the next momentum push back down. So when the market starts to move up to this area and reach this area, we are going to start to monitor the market for a potential push to the downside again. And it pays to be patient, it pays to be relaxed and waiting for your trade. Now let's look at the difference between the bad trade, which is selling at the bottom here. Okay, yes, you can place your stop loss here, but it's most likely to be taken out of the market. Or you can enter the market here. So you can see the difference between the two different types of trades. Okay, you have this trade here where you enter the market, you're going against the market. Your stop loss is most likely to be taken out and you don't have any structure to place your stop loss. So don't trade like that. That's bad. It's a bad method. It's a bad habit for a lot of traders. But if you trade like this, waiting for the market to come back up again, over here you have very, very good risk reward. You have 1%, not even 1%. You can set your stop loss and you can get back at least 2% or even more, 3%. Okay, for example. And if you look at here, you can see the bad trade, it says no structure to place your stop loss. Over here we have structure. We have a previous resistance area here that you could place your stop loss above. Previous resistance area, it's not really, most likely 9 times out of 10 the market will not break out from this resistance area unless there is a stop hunt. Okay, so you have a good area to place your stop loss. And if you are trading in this area here, when the market comes back to this area here, you are not trading against, or you're not fighting against the market, you're not trading against the market, because the market is automatically flowing. This is how the algorithm of the market is. It is automatically flowing. Momentum push, then pullback, momentum push, then pullback, and momentum push. That is how the market flows each and every day. So if you trade like this, you will have a much better risk reward. You will have a much better understanding about the market. This is the most important trading method that you can find in 2022. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and the notifications bell. I'm going to bring out a lot of new content soon, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for your watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, or if you need any assistance. Thank you very much. God bless.